Alogo in Greek is the horse. But what really this word means? It consists of alpha stereitiko, a. Stereitiko means that deprives you from something, and the word logos. Logos means reason, logic. So the word alogo means without reason, without rationale. But this is not the word that ancient Greeks used for the horse, because this animal was of high value for them, and they did not think that horses had no reason, no sense. But how come hippos became alogo? Later on, when the soldiers went into the battlefield with their horses, they used the word alogo in the military language to discern the allogazoa, the animals without reason, from the eloga, the animals with reason, en και logos, elogos, with reason, with logic, that is, people. This change probably occurred at the end of the Alexandrian period. However, there was a case in ancient Greece where the horses was considered inferior and lacked reason. It is about the myth of winged soul in the Platonic dialogue Phaedrus, Phaedros. There, the soul is depicted as a winged chariot drawn by two horses, led by a charioteer. The human souls, unlike the divine ones, have horses that are inferior to logic, and the logic is symbolized by the charioteer. And many times these horses are connected to the lower parts of the soul and do not obey the charioteer, meaning the reason. So this soul never learns the truth.